Hi, everybody. I want to show you how to write a summary of an article or of a video. And first, I'm going to tell you about how to set up any document in Microsoft Word. Okay, this is not Google Docs. That's a little different, but almost the same. I can do that in the next presentation because I know a lot of students use Google Docs. I do too. But fortunately, I'm using Microsoft. Okay. So first, put the header. You would put the header by clicking Insert, and then you would put page number, top of page, and then you would choose the plain number 3 with the right plain number 3 on the right, and then you put the last name, which is Rodriguez. So you have the last name and the page number. And then you just want to make sure you have the right font. It should be Times New Roman. And you can just write T and you get Times New Roman and then change the size to 12. Okay, so that's how you set up the header. That may be a little tricky for some students. Make sure when you do that, that you highlight the last name and the number so you can change the font from Arial to Times New Roman. Okay, so if you want to unclick it, you just click it once and there you go. It's no longer the last name and number are no longer highlighted. Okay, so then you write in the left-hand side of the page, first name and last name of student, the name of the professor, the title of the class, and the date, day, month, abbreviated, and year. Okay, and then a space down, you write the title of your summary of Ramona Hacker's 6 steps to improve your emotional intelligence. Okay, so then you begin the paragraph, indent 5 spaces, to begin the first line of the paragraph. And then you write the first sentence, which is the main idea of the summary, using the verb discuss or discusses if there is only one author. And then the second verb would be, you could use at the beginning of the talk. She begins the talk by asking her audience whether they are emotionally intelligent. And then you can talk more about what happens in the video. You don't need to use as much detail as this student did. You can just tell me what the presenter describes. You don't need all this detail here. Though it is very nice for me to see that you can write. Okay, so if you want to write a little more, more than 5 or 6 sentences, it's fine. Okay, a summary can be 5 or 6 sentences. It really should be 5 or 6 sentences. Okay, and then you can use the verb claims, or believes, that someone believes that, and then talk about what the person recommends. In the video, if somebody recommends something, you write the last name of the person. Recommends, in this case, Hacker recommends that people analyze and distinguish between different feelings. And if the person recommends another thing, you can also say, also she recommends, right? Another recommendation. And then you can write the conclusion. She concludes, using the verb she concludes. And then you are done with the summary. And then on the last page, you write the works cited. Okay. So works cited, last name of author, first name, title. And then if it's YouTube, put YouTube's in curly print. I call it curly print. That's the I. Okay. So you need to make that use italics. And by Ramona Hacker. And you write the date of the video and the website. And that's it. Okay. So if you have any questions, please email me in Canvas.